Morning. Right, well, none of your silliness today. Let's get you sorted. Let's crack on, hopefully. This won't take too long. That's gone. We'll never find that again. I did. So that clip with the little dimples on sits that way. This one comes underneath, so those kind of get trapped in. Yeah, whatever. No idea why I'm shocked, but it would appear that that's now stuck. So, time to get that off. Check out what's going on in there. I don't mind working. I don't mind doing any jobs. But I don't know why they have to make life so hard. Well, you can't see. Right down. There's a nut that butts onto some steel, so you can't get it off. So, where are we? Just there is the other nut for the other cantilever that goes to the brake pedal. So I've now got to take that one off to move the cantilever down enough to get that one off. What a pain in the arse. Well, that wasn't it, was it? Disconnect the pedal, put the other nut back on. Now, need to try and juggle. What can you see? Need to juggle that off with these without spilling any fluid. Good luck, everyone. Right, made an executive decision after speaking to the client. Nobody knows the history of this. I bet it's never had its brake fluid changed ever in its life. I'm not sure that this is the problem, but who knows? I don't want to put that back on and find we've got a problem. So sending that away to be reconned, and I'm going to take that off, another one of them, and that off, and get that sorted. I think I found the problem. I'm going to take this one up. A lot of fluid came out of here, and it was pretty manky just here. So I think that one's busted, and that one dripped as well. So I think it was a good call to get 2 of them. That's been sent away for refurb. See what happens then.